because what's in a smoothie is usually really healthy. And I'm putting myself in my shoes if I were starting a Weight Watchers program where I have quite a few pounds to lose and I don't know how long this is going to take me. Would it discourage me from making a smoothie that has all of those wonderful fruits and vegetables in it? Would I want to waste 6 points on that? Would I want to waste 6 points on consuming good fruits and vegetables versus having 6 points of something else that is not a fruit or a vegetable? Do you get what I mean? So this is what this video is dedicated for. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah and thanks for dropping by. I usually talk about healthy foods here, and for a long time, over 6 months, it's been about Weight Watchers because I have been using that program inconsistently for over 11 years, sorry. Wow, bad intro. Hang in there. I wanted to mention something that I'm kind of nervous about bringing up, and I want feedback. I want to know how you feel about this because a lot of you have educated me about something that I didn't know regarding Weight Watchers, and that was smoothies and the points around smoothies. So I have on a regular basis a smoothie that consists of spinach, carrots, water, apple, sometimes mango, and I'm forgetting something, banana. That's it. And it's usually 70% vegetable and 30% fruit. I try to hit that mark. And I have been drinking those for well over a year. And I've thought they are 0 points because if you look at those individual foods, they are 0 points on Weight Watchers. On the blue plan, I've been using the blue plan. It's freestyle and then blue. So when I have talked about smoothies and especially some other videos about the ice cream, 0 point ice cream, or nice cream as I've heard it's now called, which is cute, with banana and cocoa powder and almond milk, unsweetened almond milk in my case. With the amount of ice cream I have, it comes out to 0 points. But if you put it in the Weight Watchers app, the smoothie and the nice cream comes up as a bunch of points. So I don't like that. I don't like that. I understand why Weight Watchers has, I understand, I've read about it, people have told me about it, but it might discourage people from actually having a 6 point smoothie. Those items that I mentioned are around 6 points, and that's like a meal for me. So I don't track those points. I don't track those points. I'm at my goal weight. I don't track those points. Do you? Do you track those points? Do you think that it discourages people, or do you think that especially in the beginning of your program you should track those points? I want to know your thoughts. This is not meant to be a debate, but a healthy conversation, pun intended, around healthy foods. So anyway, I hope you have a great day. Leave a comment down below about what you feel or what you think. But I just wanted some conversation around that because I want to know. If I was sitting with a bunch of my friends, I would be asking them this too. So there you go. Have a great day.